So, happy morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss increasing or decreasing order of logarithms. So it has to write a given logarithmic numbers, there are some conditions. There are some conditions we have. So like logarithmic logs. So if you remember the conditions, you can write very easily. Okay. So just we can discuss. I am writing down and with explanation I will write. Okay. So here you can listen first. First condition. Log x to the base a value is greater than 1. Log x to the base a is greater than 1 if x is greater than 1, x value should be greater than 1 and a value also should be greater than 1. And we have the logarithmic condition a not equal to 1, base should not be equal to 1. So a is greater than 1 means it's not equal to 1 only. And x should be greater than a. X should be greater than a. So log x to the base a is greater than 1 if x is greater than a, x value should be greater than a and a value also should be greater than a. So a not equal to 1 and x is greater than a. So greater than 1, x is greater than 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5. Okay. And a is greater than 1, it may be 1, it may be 2, 3, 4, 5 like that numbers. For example, that is log and x is greater than a, x is greater than a. So if you take log 3 to the base 2. Log 3 to the base 2. So 3 is greater than 1 na?
Yes sir.
2 is greater than 1?
Yes sir.
Okay. And 3 is greater than 2 also?
Yes sir.
So these three conditions are satisfied now?
Yes sir.
So this value is greater than 1. This value is log 3 base 2 value is how much? Greater than 1. Okay. See, suppose for example to understand very clearly to you, so you can take log 4 to the base 2. Log 4. 4 is greater than 1 na?
Yes sir.
2 is greater than 1 na?
Yes sir.
And 4 is greater than 2?
Yes sir.
All conditions are satisfied.
Yes sir.
Okay. So then log 4 base 2 value is how much ma?
Greater than 1.
2 only na? Log 4 base 2 value is how much? 2. 2 is greater than 1 only na?
Yes sir.
So this value is log 4 base 2 value we can say greater than 1. Okay. Next condition. Log x to the base a is equal to 1 if x is greater than 1 and a is greater than 1 and a not equal to, base should not be equal to 1 and here x is equal to a. Okay, same conditions. Here x is greater than a means it greater than 1. If x equal to a means it is equal to 1.
Yes.
Okay. See, suppose if you take log 5 to the base 5. Log 5 to the base value is 1 only na. This is equal to 1 only na. Already we studied.
Yes sir.
So x is greater than 1, 5 is greater than 1. A is greater than 1. This 5 is also greater than 1. And x equal to a. 5 equal to 5.
Yes sir.
Okay. So we have condition, that is. Next. Third condition we have that log x to the base a is less than 1. Log x to the base a is less than 1. Listen carefully, when I am teaching, I will give the time to write. if x is greater than 1 comma a is also greater than 1 and a not equal to 1, same conditions, still these three conditions are same for, and x is less than a. If x is less than a, that value is less than 1. Log x to the base a value is less than 1 if x greater than 1, a greater than 1 and x is less than a. For example, I am taking that log 3 to the base 9. Log 3 to the base 9. So 3 is greater than 1 na?
Yes, sir.
A is greater than 1
Yes, sir.
and x is less than a. 3 is less than 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So then how can we find this log 3 base 9 value? Log 3 base 9 value is how much? 3 ah? 2 ah? 9 power 2 will give 3 ah?
1/3.
Huh? 1 by 3 ah? Log 3 base 9. 9 power which number will gives 3? Okay, so if you don't know that, just you can make it is equal to x. This is one number, one exponential number now. So how can you write this logarithmic form in the exponential form? How can you write in the exponential number?
9 by x is equal to 3.
9 power x equal to 3. 9 power x equal to 3 means, so 3 square whole power x is equal to 3 we can write now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 2 into x,
2x.
2x equal to 3. So 2x equal to 1. Nothing in the power is 1. If the bases are equal means powers are equal. Then x is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is less than 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes or no? So this x is equal to 1 by 2 means log 3 base 9 value is 1 by 2 only now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then log x to the base a is less than 1 if x greater than 1, a greater than 1 and x less than a. These conditions you should remember very carefully. Okay. Next. Log x to the base a is less than 0. Log x to the base a is less than 0 if x greater than 1 and a is lies between 0 and 1. 0 less than a less than 1, that is a not equal to 1. Okay, x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1, here a value 0 less than a less than 1 means this value a value is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, suppose if you consider 1 by 2, a equal to 1 by 2 if you take, so 0 less than 1 by 2 less than 1. So 0 less than 1 by 2 na?
Yes.
So 1 by 2 less than 1 only na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the a value should be lies between 0 and 1. It is not equal to 0, it is not equal to 1. Okay. So now, for example, so it is how it will be less than 1, sir? Less than 1, let us see here. So how it will be less than 0? Less than 0 means it's the negative. So that means it is negative means it is a negative exponent. 2 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 8 we can write now. Like that. See, for example, log 8 to the base 1 by 2 you can take. X is greater than 1. 8 is greater than 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
And a lies between 0 and 1. Okay. So log 8 to the base 1 by 2 equal to, just you can assume x. So this how can you write in the exponential form?
1 by 2 power x is equal to 8.
8. So 8 can I write as 1 by 2 can I write 2 power minus 1 whole power x is equal to 2 power 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 power minus 1 into x minus x is equal to 2 power 3. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus x is equal to, if the both side bases are same means powers are equal. Minus x is equal to 3 means x is
Equal to minus 3.
x is equal to minus 3. So if x is equal to minus 3, this is minus 3 is less than 0 or greater than 0? Less than 0. So log x to the base a is less than 0 only now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you say these numbers values now? Log 5 to the base 4 value is greater than 1 or less than 1 or. See, by using that conditions, greater than 1 or less than 1 or equal to 1 or less than 0 or. 4 conditions we have there.
Yes, sir.
What conditions it is following? X is greater than 1. First condition, second condition, third condition, fourth condition. First and third both are same.
No, sir.
X greater than 1, x less than 1. It is at a time 2 can possible.
Sir, first.
First or second?
Sir, first.
First or third?
Sir, first.
First. So 5 is it correct? First condition?
Yes, sir.
5 is greater than 1. Yes. 4 is greater than 1. And 5 is greater than 4.
Yes, sir.
So then this value is? This value is how much?
Greater than 1.
Greater than 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now log 99 to the base 80. If x is greater than a and x is greater than 1, a is greater than 1.
Sir, greater than 1.
Greater than 1.
Okay.
Okay. Now log 4 to the base 5.
Sir, less than 1. Less than 1.
Log 4 to the base 5 is less than 1. So log 9 to the base 11.
Less than 1.
Less than
1.
1. Log 10 to the base 10.
1.
1. Log 9 to the base 9.
1.
1. Log 1 to the base 1.
1.
Log 1 to the base 1? Undefined, because base should not be equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
A not equal to 1. Okay. It is undefined, not equal to 1. Log. See, that is not an irrational number. It may be. So we cannot define that number. So how can we say it is irrational or rational? That number only we cannot define. See, for example, if you consider log 1 to the base 1 is 1, suppose. So this how can you write 1 power x is equal to 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, log 2 to the base 2 is 1. Okay. So that is 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Now log 3 to the base 1. Log 3 to the base 1. This number we don't know. You can take x. Log, that is how can you write this? Log 3 base 1 equal to x in the exponential form? 1 power x is equal to 3. 1 power which number will gives 3? 1 power we know that is 1 power anything. 1 power anything is equal to 1 only. But here 1 power anything is given 3. Is it possible?
No, sir.
Which x value will gives 3? No value will gives 3. So that we can say undefined.
Okay, sir.
Next. Remember the conditions. If x greater than a, that value is greater than 1. So x and a should be greater than 1. X and a should be greater than 1 and x greater than a. These 3 conditions we remember. Okay. Next. log 5 to the base 0.3. Log 5 to the base 0.3 is it greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 1 or greater than 1 or less than 1 or less than 0?
Sir, that's a less than 0.
Less than?
0.
Very good, less than 0. Log 5 x is greater than 1.
Yes, sir.
And the base is lies between 0 and 1. 0.3 is lies between 0 and 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Log 3 to the base 1 by 3. Log 3 to the base 1 by 3.
So, less than 0.
Huh? Less than 0 va?
Less than 1.
Huh?
Less than 1.
Less than 1 ah? Less than 0 only it is.
Yes, sir.
1 by 3 is lies between 0 and 1 only na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sometimes they will give in the decimal, sometimes they may give in the fractions.
Yes.
So it is a proper or improper 1 by 3 proper fraction. So proper fraction value is lies between 0 and 1. That point also you should remember. Proper fraction value always lies between 0 and 1. Improper fraction value is always greater than 1.
Greater than 1. Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose log 7 by 3 base 3 by 7 is less than 0 or greater than 0? Less than
0.
7 by 3 is greater than 1. So x is greater than 1. 3 by 7 is between less than 0. Sorry, less than 1. Okay, proper fraction value always is lies between 0 and 1 only na. It is less than 1. It is lies between 3 by 7 is lies between. So 3 by 7 is lies between 0 and 1. So A value is lies between 0 and 1. This value is less than 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. So I hope you are understand this. These 4 conditions are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, so let us, I am giving you 2 questions. Arrange the given logarithmic numbers in the ascending order.
Okay.
Arrange the given logarithmic numbers in the ascending order. First question, log 9 to the base 11, comma, log 3 to the base 4, base 2, comma, log 3, comma, base 0.2, comma, log 4 to the base 4. Arrange the given logarithmic numbers in the ascending order. What is mean by ascending order?
Smallest.
Smallest to
Bigger.
bigger. So small to greatest. Now, arrange the given logarithmic numbers in the ascending order. So use these 4 logarithmic conditions and apply there, you can solve. Yes, 9 conditions. Okay, see, remaining 4. Do you solve this question?
No, sir.
Note it down. In this, can you say, directly you can say, what is the smallest number among this?
The log 9 to the base 0.9.
Log 9 to the base.
0.9.
This is the smallest number. Next, greatest. What is the greatest number?
Log 23
Log 23 to the base 19. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you understood? Reshma? Huh? Yes. Sai Harish? Srishant, okay. Fifth condition. Okay. Log x to the base a is greater than 1. So here two type of numbers, two type of logarithmic numbers having greater than value. So that is, if x greater than a and if x is less than, if x lies between 0 and 1, if x lies between 0 and 1, a lies between 0 and 1, and x less than a.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if x less than a, log x to the base a is greater than 1, if 0 less than if x lies between 0 and 1 and a lies between 0 and 1 and x less than a. For example, log 1 by 4 to the base 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Which number is greater here?
Sir, 1 by 2.
Huh? 1 by 2 or 1 by 4?
1 by 2.
So 1 by 2 is the greatest number, 1 by 4 is the smallest number. And 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is lies, these two numbers is lies between 0 and 1 only. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then x is greater than a. So this number is less than a. So this value is greater than 1. So let us see whether we will get greater than 1 or less than 1. So you can make equal to x. So 1 by 2 whole power x equal to 1 by 4. In the exponential form this is. So 1 by 2 whole power x equal to 1 by 4. Can I write 1 by 2 whole square?
Yes, sir.
The both side bases same means powers are equal. So x equal to 2.
2 is greater than.
So 2 is greater than 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
Like that. So here we need to check. In the first case, here x is greater than a, x greater than 1. But here x value is lies between 0 and 1, a value also lies between. X and a both should be lies between 0 and 1 and x less than a. Here in this case, x and a both are greater than 1 and x greater than a. Here x and a both are lies between 0 and 1, x less than a. Okay, so can you say, is it true? Log 1 by 5 and to the base 0.1 is greater than 1. Can I write? Is it true?
Yes.
1 by 5 value is how much?
Sir, 0.5.
1 by 5 is 0.5.
Sir, 0.3.
0.2.
Yes, sir.
1 by 5 value is how much? 0.2. So log 0.2 base 0.1. 0.2 is greater or 0.1 is greater?
Sir,
0.2. So x is greater than a. But here, so these two numbers are lies between 0 and 1. But here x is greater than a. So it is not greater than 1. So this is wrong statement. Okay, check that conditions. Okay, can you say now log 0.7 to the base 0.9 is greater than 1 or less than 1?
Sir,
Greater than 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. So sixth condition is same only. So whether it is if the x value lies xa greater than 1, xa greater than 1, x equal to a, or xa lies between 0 and 1 and x equal to a, both are we will get 1 only. That means log 1 by 2 to the base 1 by 2 equal to 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here x value, a value lies between 0 and 1. Okay, log 1 by 9 to the base 1 by 9, 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if number and base is same means that is equal to 1 only. So no need to learn this formula. So you can remember, if number and base are same, so it is always equal to 1 itself.
Yes, sir.
So sixth condition we can write another one, log, so it is belongs to the same, log x to the base a is less than 1 if x lies between 0 and 1 and a lies between 0 and 1 and x greater than a. If x greater than a, so then it is that logarithmic value is becomes less than 1. See, for example, log 0.2 log 0.4 to the base 0.0, you can take 3, no issue. Log 0.5 base 0.2 you can take. X is greater than a only now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this value is less than 1. Less than 1 in the sense, it is not a negative number. Less than 1 means this value lies between 0 and 1. Okay, less than 1. Here also, this logarithmic value lies between 0, 1 only. We can say minus 1 also less than 1. But this value is never be a negative.
Okay, sir.
It is lies between 0 and 1 only. See this, how can you write in the exponential form? So that is 0.2 whole power x is equal to 0.5. So 0.2, how can you write in the fractions? 2 by 10 whole power x is equal to 5 by 10 whole power 5 by 10. So which number will give? 2, suppose 2 by 10 whole power 1 is equal to 1. 2 by 10 whole power 1 is equal to 2 by 10, that is equal to 0.2. 2 by 10 whole power 0, it is equal to 1. Okay, so this 0.5 value, 5 by 10 value lies between 2 by 10 and 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
This 0.5 value, so this value is 0.2, this value is 1. 0.5 lies between 0.2 comma 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
So when you will get 0.2, if the power is 1 and if the power is 0, so that means that exponent lies between 0 and 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
So that is less than 1. This value is between 0 and 1 means that value is less than 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
It is not greater than 1, it is not less than 0. So it is lies between 0 and 1. Log x to the base a, when it is less than 1, two cases we have. If x value, a value greater than 1 and x less than a case. If x value, a value lies between 0 and 1 and x is greater than a. X is greater than a. Okay, two cases we are getting. Listen carefully. Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Seventh condition, negative case. Log x to the base a, log x to the base a is less than 0 if x is lies between 0 and 1 and a greater than 1.
He is not.
Okay, so a not equal to 1. A not equal to 1. So if x value lies between 0 and 1, in this case a value lies between 0 and 1. Here x is greater than a, here a is greater than, here x is greater than 1, here a is greater than 1. Okay, try to compare these two things. Here in this case,
A is greater than 1.
in this x is greater than 1. So if one number is greater than 1, other number should be lies between 0 and 1. See here x between 0 and 1, this number is greater than 1. Here x is greater than 1, this a is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, see. log 0.9 to the base 9. Log 0.9 to the base 9. So this is a negative, less than 0. Less than 0 means negative number. So you can, suppose for example, you can take, this is 1 by 3 you can take. 1 by 3 is lies between 0 and 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
9 is greater than 1. So this is equal to, you can take x. 9 power x is equal to 1 by 3. So 9 we can write as 3 square whole power x is equal to, this 1 by 3 we can write 3 power minus. So 3 power 2x equal to 3 power minus 1. So 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is a negative number or not?
Yes, sir.
Less than 0 only now?
Yes, sir.
So that is. Okay. I hope you are understand the difference. Okay. By seeing the numbers, how can we obtain? Suppose if they given 4 numbers arranging in ascending order, descending order means, so for all sums, you cannot do simplify. So without simplification, by remembering these conditions, we can say. Okay. Eighth property is that if x is greater than y, if x is greater than y and a greater than 1, if the base is x and y are 2 numbers and a is greater than 1, then we can write log x to the base a is greater than log y to the base a. If x greater than y and a greater than 1, then log x to the base a is greater than log y to the base a. Suppose 2 is greater than 4 means, okay, so a is greater than 1. Log 2 to the base 2 and log 4 to the base 2. Log 2 is, sorry, you can take 4. 2 is not greater than 4, no? 4 is greater than 2. So this. So log 4 to the base 2 is greater than log 2 to the base 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So log 4 to the base 2 value is 2. Log 2 base 2 value is 1. 2 is greater than 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if x greater than y and a value should be greater than 1. Okay, then log x to the base a is greater than log x to log y to the base a. Next, last condition we have that, 9th condition, if x greater than y and if a value is lies between 0 and 1,
Okay, sir.
okay, so then
X is greater than
log x to the base a,
is less than
log x to the base a is less than log y to the base a. Okay, here x value and y value you can consider greater than 1 only. X value, a value is greater than 1. Here also greater than 1. Okay,
But sir, here a value should be 0.
here xy is greater than 1, a is lies between 0 and 1. Here a is, all are greater than 1. Here in this only xy is greater than 1. See for example, log 9 to the base 1 by 3 and log 27 to the base 1 by 3. You can take here 27, no issue. Here 9 you can take. So 27 is greater than 9 only now.
Yes, sir.
So base is 1 by 3 or base is 1 by 3. So this we can write 1 by 3 whole power x is equal to 27 and 1 by 3 whole power y is equal to 9. This number you can take equal to y, this number you can make equal to x. Two number. So 1 by 3 whole power y is equal to 3 power minus 1 equal to 3 power minus x. This 1 by 3 we can write as 3 power minus x is equal to 3 power 3 we can write now.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to minus x is equal to 3 means x is equal to minus 3. So here minus 3 this value.
Yes, sir.
So this is 3 power minus y is equal to 3 power 2. So then y is equal to minus y is equal to 2 means y is equal to minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So this is minus 2. So minus 3 is greater or minus 2 is greater or?
Minus 2.
minus 3 is smaller, minus 2 is greater. So this minus 3 is less than minus 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 is less than minus 2.
Yes, sir.
If x is greater than y, it is reverse. If the a value is lies between 0 and 1. In this case, a is greater than 1. In this case, a is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, I hope you understand. So I am giving you some questions. You can try to solve. Right, arrange the given following numbers in the ascending order. By using these first three conditions, you can simplify. Log 0.9 to the base 0.5, comma log 0.7 to the base 0.8, log 1 by 3 to the base 3. See in this question, so here x is greater than a.
Yes, sir.
So x is greater than a means less than 1.
Less than 1.
Here y is, here x is less than a. X is less than a means it is greater than 1.
Yes, sir.
And here a is greater than 1 but x lies between 0 and 1, then this value is less than 0 na?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Why slot 2 students are not responding properly even though you listened, you finished these classes? Huh? I think this class is very good than comparing to slot 2. This is a very good class. Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so which logarithmic numbers are? So here only 4 conditions. Which logarithm numbers are equal to 1? Which logarithmic numbers are greater than 1? Which logarithmic value will gives less than 1? Which logarithmic values will gives less than 0? 4 conditions only now.
Yes, sir.
Greater than 1 case, equal to 1 case, less than 1 case, less than 0. So these 4 cases only. Okay. So you remember, try to remember that which logarithmic value, which conditions will gives greater than 1, which conditions will gives less than 1 value, which conditions will give equal to 1, which condition is less than 0. You remember that. Okay. So time up? Okay, okay students. Next class, which class you have?